My wheels don't aim straight, my steering wheel doesn't aim straight, and the car doesn't drive straight. What is going on, guys? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Now today should be, in theory, a pretty light install, but I have my concerns. So today we are installing new tie rods on the Civic because my alignment is so out of whack because these old ones are kind of blown out and they're a little bit rusty. Now I know one of these sides are gonna go better than the other because the one side I could actually loosen, the other side not so much. So we're gonna try to figure this out. Now the reason I never did an alignment on this car in the first place was because one, shops hate this car for whatever reason because it's loud and engine swapped and people don't like that, I guess. But two is that this one is so rusted out I cannot get it loosened. So I'm hoping that once I break the ball joint here, I will be able to just kind of torque it out and twist it. Hopefully that works. I knew this was gonna be difficult. The ball joint is so blown out that I can't even twist this bolt out without the whole thing spinning. So I have to get a special tool, pry it out. Not gonna lie, that took a long time to get this stupid bolt off because it was so blown, but we ended up getting it. So I got the first side removed. I didn't show it because I was trying to figure out this tool. But this tool from 1A Auto honestly made this so easy. And I was like concerned that it was that easy, and this came right out because this car is so rusty and old that I thought this wasn't gonna work at all, but it did. So 1A Auto, good job on your tool. Can't really see, but the inner tie rod is now in, and with that being in, that was way easier than I was expecting. So we're gonna put the little rubber grommet thing back on, and then we're gonna try to figure out our adjustments because, again, I took this off in one piece because I couldn't get it. So we're gonna try to do, I think someone online said 17 rotations. We're gonna do them both sides and see how good the alignment is. This tire looks nice and straight now. Now, last time I took it to an alignment shop, they're like, oh, there's nothing we can do with car's engine swapped, and I don't know why that makes a difference, but I'm going to do an at-home alignment, and you know, that looks pretty good. Pretty much I was going through tires every 2 months, and that's not ideal. So you can see how bad this one is, because this one's, yeah. So we're gonna knock out this side, do a quick alignment, get her done. It's really bad. The amount of gloves I've bought in the last couple years, like I probably have 15 pairs and I never wear them and my hands always get destroyed by grease and stuff. And I need to learn how to use these things, but I just never do. The driver's side was so blown out. Like this is destroyed. This wasn't even moving anymore. So now we're gonna put some nice fresh ones in. I am currently working on aligning the car now, and it's kind of tough because I don't know what I'm doing. Like I kind of know how to bring the ins and outs of the toe, but we're working on it. Taking a little bit longer than I want, but this is gonna be better regardless because now my wheel can actually be straight when I'm driving, which is super exciting to me because it's been a long time since I've been able to do that. I'm at the point that the eyeball looks pretty good, but I think I might be able to do better, but I don't know. This driver's side or passenger side looks pretty good. Maybe the passenger or the driver's side needs to go in a little bit more. I don't have an alignment tool set and I don't know what I'm doing really, but it's much better than it was before, so that is a plus. Next thing we gotta do is just take her for a ride and see how she handles, because I know it's gonna do better than before. The alignment's probably still pretty off and I should probably get it professionally done if I find a shop that'll actually do it for me, but we're gonna try it right now and see how she is. Just having my steering wheel straight is a huge improvement. Now I definitely still have to adjust it a bit because it's not the straightest still, but this is so much better than it was before. And before the car felt like it was like struggling when you're going straight, and this feels so much faster now because it's so much smoother because the wheels are actually pulling the same direction. And I'm guaranteeing that my wheels are gonna last longer than 2 months now, which is gonna save me money, and that makes me really happy. It's crazy because it honestly feels like a whole brand new car now just because of steering and alignment. So pretty much it was really easy to do left-hand turns. It was kind of tough to do right-hand turns, and now it's kind of tough to do both because I guess it's equal now. So I guess that's kind of good, but the car feels faster now, and I was just going down a straight line. I didn't even do anything, and it glides and it doesn't feel like it's struggling as much. So I think this was a good mod, and this is super easy to do, and that's why today's video was so short. So I'm gonna leave you guys off here. So do me a few things: comment, like, subscribe, you know, the fun stuff. Keep doing you, stay motivated. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out and peace.